CRPD have been organising a conference for their EASE project, which provides training for people to make documents in easy language. This is important because if people with intellectual impairments are able to have access to language in a way that they can understand, they will be more included in society. So our project has provided train the trainer courses with some international partners in order to ensure that we are able to boost the numbers of people who can produce easy read documentation in Malta.